fall into. That we come to the point of sovereignty.
Just one question about, because we have our conditioned nature. We have like false ego, we want pride, prestige, all these things. They're like to show in, like it's part of it. It's just like something we are right now. But and like
what harder?
No, of course the soul is always like clean, but it's qualities that we taken onto us. And this conditioned nature, I mean, doesn't it have to be engaged in some way? It has to be like acknowledged. It has to be acknowledged because otherwise, isn't it?
Yes, for sure. Like that's really the only. First of all, we need to understand our conditioned nature. And understanding something little about our Varna and Ashram and where we are at from Shraddha to Prema. And then we know the cure by hearing, as we just spoke about, we just mentioned by hearing from authorities. And then we get the cure, and then we follow the prescription of the doctor, of the spiritual master, and then gradually be cured. So yeah, unless we engage all these inclinations we have in devotional service, then we will definitely get in trouble, because then the mind will start making all kinds of ideas. So engagement is so extremely important. Some will be most engaged in this activity, some will be most engaged in this activity, some will be most engaged in this activity. But the importance is to be engaged. Because if you're not connected, as long as we're not connected to Krishna directly, we're not. So we can just see how much of the day where we are completely absorbed in Krishna's service, and how much of the day we are absorbed in Maya's service. So then we can see how Krishna comes into it. So Brahma used to say that the taste of the pudding is in the proof of the pudding is in the taste. So we really need to see what result do I get when I do this. And of course, hear from others. You're perfectly right, just engage, constantly engage our inclinations.
You started off with speaking about like how the demigods and the demons, they are continuously fighting. I was just wondering, like that is going on in the higher planetary systems, and like the demigods, they are in control of like pretty much everything that we do, from walking to drinking to passing to everything. So when the demigods and the demons, they are fighting, do we like is there some effect on this planetary system that we are on also?
No, normally not. You mean like because they're busy doing their fighting, so they will not take care of all our activities?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's specific appointed demigods, because normally fighting, many of the demigods might be involved, but this is not Indra taking care of all this, and this is not Varuna taking care of all the things we're doing as such. That's the lower demigods. So it says there's 33 million main demigods. So there's very many, like if you count all of them, on all levels. So it's the minor demigods taking care of all the things like maintaining our bodies and making this yantra move. So they are specifically designated to that. So that's their duty. So they're performing that duty. That's their service to Krishna. And in other sense, no, we are not influenced by the war in the heavens in Swarga. The same way they are not influenced by the things happening here. Says they have that little, like the change of the yugas, for instance, now we're in Kali Yuga, very little impact on them. A little, but very little. So normally they are not influenced by us in that sense, and we are not influenced by them directly. Thank you very much. Grandarat Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Sri Prabhupada ki.